Good morning, class 12 students. I hope you all are fine. From today onwards, I am going to start chapter number 3 from your geography practical, and the chapter name is graphical representation of data. At first, we have to write down the detailed description about what is the meaning of graphical representation of data, and the first topic from this chapter is line graph. What is line graph? Actually, the line graphs are usually drawn to represent the time series data related to the temperature. It may also related to rainfall, population growth, birth rates and death rates, etc. Here, one example is here. Construct a line graph to represent the following data. There are two columns in this sets of data. In first column, there is year, and against each year growth rate in percentage is given. So based on this data, we have to prepare a simple line graph, and the line graph will be look like this. At the top of the line graph, we have to put the heading, and when we have to write down the subheadings also, that is showing the annual growth of population in India from 1911 to 2011. Then after drawing of line graph and after plotting all the data in the graph paper, we have to write down the scale. And students, please keep it in your mind that we have to write down and we have to mention both the scale, that means horizontal scale, as well as we have to write down the vertical scale also. Then next topic is polygraph. Polygraph is a line graph in which two or more than two variables are shown by an equal number of lines for an immediate comparison. Okay, and such as the growth rate of different crops like rice, wheat, pulses, or the birth rate, death rate, life expectancy, etc. One example is also here. Construct a polygraph to compare the growth of sex ratio in different states as given below. The principle for drawing the polygraph is same as simple line graph, but here we will show more than one variable. And here Delhi, Haryana and UP, the data against Delhi, Haryana and UP is here. So we have to plot the data within a same graphical frame. And after completion of the drawing of polygraph, do not forget to write down the scale, horizontal scale and vertical scale. And for this means for polygraph, we have to make a index also, so that we can easily understand which sign or which symbol signifies which state. So student, that's all for today. The remaining part of this chapter will be discussed in our next practical class. Till then, stay safe.